Hello everyone. Welcome to my another tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how to cancel when we send friend request in Facebook. When we sending again and again friend request more than 1000, we cannot send more friend request. So we need to cancel this friend request. Let's see how to do that. There is few methods here. Cancel friend request in Facebook. Method 1. When you see friends icon here, click the icon. Then you can see you have friend request from another people. If you have friend request like this, click on See All tab. Then you will see 3 dots in right corner. Click on it. Now, under the screen we can see option 2. Sent friend request from me. In this screen we can see total sent requests and we can cancel it. If you don't have friend icon on home screen, you can find it from here and follow same path. Follow same path. Method 2. When we don't have any friend request from another person, let me to confirm this requests. Now, I don't have least one friend request. Now open friends on Facebook. From friends icon or from profile. Now we can see option as requests. Click on it in this screen. Click on 3 dots in top right corner in screen. And you can see view sent request option. Now we can cancel all these sent requests. If you don't have see friends icon on screen, you can find it following in profile like this. When we using Android mobile, these pathways are same. So this is the tutorial. Give a comment, does it work or not? Thank you. See you again.